Hi, this is Sean from Aquor Water Systems. Today we're here with Nolan from Priority Plumbing, based out of Auburn, Washington.
Today we're installing the version 2 Aquor House Hydrant, cedar lap siding, fir belly band. This is originally a copper system in this house, and we're going to be using some shark bite fittings for ease of installation.
Alright, let's get started.
Okay. So today, as you can see, we'll be installing in the belly band, which makes this really convenient, that we're not coming through the siding. So we don't have any possible drainage issues coming up against the house with the improper angle off of the siding. We don't need to cut in a mounting block. We've got the installation that we need here. So to start, we're simply going to turn the water off to the home and get it drained so I can get the old bib out. At this point, we've got the water shut off, house pretty much drained. We're ready to go into the crawl space, cut the copper from the bib so we can remove it. Alright, bib removed. The beauty of the shark bites in this situation is even with residual water, we can still get the system connected. Obviously we're having trouble getting all the water out of the system. At this point I'm just trying to locate center, make sure I can get the bib properly located in the middle of the belly band for a proper appearance. Standard white tape, I do 5 to 7 wraps.
Okay.
Try not to go over the end so you don't plug any of the piping. With this heavier duty tape, I can use less wraps. Something like 3 wraps. Quite convenient. They come preloaded in the anchor if you needed to anchor something. We don't. We have a direct mount. At this point, we've got it installed on the outside of the home. All we have to do is get back into the crawl space, connect the water system, and get it live. I'm just getting a little shorter piece of pipe to bring down in the crawl space with me, since things are a little tight. And this will be our final piece of the installation. Now that we've got the bib installed, ease of shark bite fittings come in. Simply push in to lock. We're going to get an appropriate amount of pipe, cut it to length, install our coupling. And we're done. The beauty of the V2 house hydrant is that it has built-in grade to self-drain, so there'll be no freezing. Now with everything installed, I'm simply going to turn the water back on, check for leaks, and we should be good to go. At this point, we're going to check our installation, make sure water is live. We've got water self-draining so that the bib is truly frost-free.
Well, thanks, Nolan. Really appreciate you getting this installed real quick.
It was easy. Simple 10-minute installation.